In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moz to find your competitors' keywords. Understanding what keywords your competitors rank for is a crucial step in refining your SEO strategy and boosting your website's performance. By identifying these keywords, you can uncover opportunities to enhance your content and identify potential gaps in your current keyword strategy. Let's dive in and explore how Moz can be a powerful ally in your competitive research. The first step is to head over to Moz Home. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Moz account. Moz is an invaluable tool for SEO professionals, and it offers a variety of competitive research features, including keyword analysis, site audits, and much more. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's simple yet powerful, designed to make SEO analysis as straightforward as possible. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a navigation menu with various icons. Look for the magnifying glass icon, which represents keyword research, and click on it. This will take you to the Keyword Explorer section, a hub where you can input domains and uncover significant keyword insights. Now, type in your competitor's domain in the search bar. This is crucial for homing in on the specific keywords they're ranking for. When choosing a competitor, consider businesses that are in the same niche or target similar audiences as yours. Once you've entered the domain, you should see an option titled Analyze. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking on Analyze, you'll be redirected to an overview of the domain's keyword performance. Here's where things get interesting. Navigate towards the section that highlights top-ranking keywords. This section is designed to show you which keywords are driving the most traffic to your competitor's site. This insight is incredibly valuable as it can guide you in modifying your own keywords to gain better visibility. Finally, the detailed list you see consists of the competitors' keywords. Spend some time examining this list carefully. Pay special attention to the terms that are most relevant to your content and business goals. This is where you can discover not just which keywords they're using, but also those you aren't targeting yet, but could be advantageous to your strategy. Remember, the objective here is not to copy your competitors, but to understand what is working for them and leverage those insights to improve your own efforts. By consistently using Moz for this kind of research, you can stay ahead of the competition and continually refine your SEO strategy. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you find this guide on using Moz to uncover competitors' keywords insightful and useful for optimizing your SEO initiatives. Be sure to experiment with different competitors and keep refining your approach for the best results.